Hi, my name is Cheska Harris. I am a student in the Library Research Skills class 1600, 9 a.m. Mondays and Wednesdays, and I'm giving a brief tutorial on how to do a research search. So firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to start off by going to the university website like I have here, and you're going to click on one of the campus links over here and select James C. Kirkpatrick Library. I already did that, so I'm going to go ahead and go to that page. And first, you're going to select the Research Guides page, and that's going to give you a more specific subject for what you want to look for. Now, if you're not sure what subject exactly you want to search for, you can scroll through and see all the options they have. For my topic that I'm doing research on, I'm doing the Deepwater Horizon incident in the Gulf of Mexico in 2010. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the biology page, and here is the library resource page for anything biology related, compiled by Laura Horn-Pop. She's a assistant university librarian interim, as you can see there. She created this page for anybody who's doing any kind of biology research to be able to look through. So it has databases for biology, uh, biology books and ebooks, um, the program info for the University of Central Missouri, and also some related research guides. Now, on the side, there's also some related topics in case you want to look for specific things that you can't find under the big umbrella that is biology. It also has her information and how to get in contact with her. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a search for some information for my topic on Deepwater Horizon. So we're going to click on this link because it looks like a good link. It has information on agriculture, environment, bioscience, and earth and atmospheric and aqua databases, which is what I'm kind of looking for. So we're going to click on this, and it's going to take us to this search page. So what we're going to do is I'm going to narrow my search down, or I'm going to do that next. I'm jumping ahead of myself. So first I'm going to type in deep water horizon, all one word, or all one search term, and environmental impact. And we're going to go ahead and search that. So this is just a basic search, and as you can see, it's pulled up over 1,000 results. Well, I want to have the full text of a research paper for this, so that narrows it down to 864. That's still quite a bit, so we're going to go ahead and narrow it down to peer-reviewed also. So by doing that, that'll make it as reliable as possible. So here we see the top, a article on Deepwater Horizon oil spill 5 years after the fact. So this would have been written in 2015, and there's information on some background information as well as how the Gulf of Mexico is doing today, and it also includes a full list of references and information that I could use. So that is how to conduct a specific search for your topic by using the library research guides. Thank you.